So let's now look at the court process. We did another video about the legal system in Turkey, and we've talked about the different types of courts in that video, so people might want to watch that. But basically, here in Turkey, you have different types of civil courts to deal with different types of disputes.
Correct.
And for a dispute relating to a contract, it's always going to be a civil court you're in. It's not going to be any of the other types of court that exist in Turkey.
No, for the contracts, we don't have a specific a course, but if you have a matter related to family law, we have family courts.
Yeah, exactly.
And if you have a problem about the consumer rights, we have the Court of Consumer Protection. But I need to make this comment, these specialized courts are not existing in every town or in every province. It depends on the volume of the work, obviously. However, if there is no a court specialized in that field, then the normal civil courts will be taking care of that dispute.
But the judge in the civil court, the ordinary civil court judge, would say, well, today I'm actually a family court judge, and I'll do all the things that family court judges do.
Yeah, and they will be deciding as per the relevant code.
But in the case of a contract, it's always going to be the straightforward, normal civil court that deals with it. But there are still several different types of those, aren't there? So can you just explain to us the different types of civil court that exist in Turkey and when you would use each one?
Okay, we have a civil court which is dealing with the some special type of cases such as relation of tenancy. So, or if you are holding a property with your partners, and if it's like a shareholding,
so we can ignore those for the purposes of this section because they're not contracts. So
for the contracts,
yes,
the tenancy, I would say.
So we can forget the special civil court.
Okay.
So with a contract, which court would you go to?
If it's a rental contract, I would go to. I think first instance court is not the correct word, but we have two types of the civil courts. I mean, instead of a specialist. So we have the first one, which was previously dealing with the small cases, but now it's not small. They are just looking for some specific cases. And we have the medium, like a civil court, if I should be just separating it in two. So the first one is dealing with the rental contracts.
Yes.
The other one is dealing with all other contracts.
Okay.
Yeah.
So really it's quite simple, because unless your case is a rental contract case, then you will always end up in the normal civil court.
Yeah, and there are some type of specific cases. I think I don't want to just say that if it's rental, go there, and if it's not rental, go to other one, because the small court has some list of court cases that they could be dealing with.
Yes.
So even if it's due from another contract, but the outcome of the breach might be dealt with the first court.
Yes.
So there are specific types, so you have to look at our procedural law.
Yes, and this is a good point to remind you, as we do from time to time, that these guides are only general introductions. They're not a substitute for legal advice, and that inevitably we can't cover all of the huge number of variations that can apply in any case, and we can't take into account your personal circumstances. So we're trying to give you a steer, but it is not a definitive statement of what the rights are. But in general terms, then you're going to end up in the ordinary civil court with any dispute relating to a contract, unless it's a rental.
Unless it's a rental, unless if there's a family law, if you are doing a contract about a divorce, then it's a family law.
Yes.
If there's a court of commerce, if both parties are commercial entities, then it goes to the commercial code of civil code. So we have many different type of contracts, and they are all being dealt with many different type of courts.
And this is important, because if you start your case in the wrong court, you're going to completely waste your time.
Yeah.
And a lot of time and a lot of money.
Yeah.